Let's swap some ETH, connect our MetaMask. I'm gonna send 0.0015. Now we need our shielded address, our UA. We're gonna open up our Vizor Wallet, copy that, paste, confirm. Check out that nice swap detail. And looks good. Confirm. Now we're gonna verify in our MetaMask our fee. Keep an eye on the network fees. Confirm. And off to the races. Done. Now let's verify in our Vizor Wallet that we have received our funds. In progress, but notice the amount that's pending. Once this confirms with enough times, we'll be able to spend it. Awesome.